Makeup is all about new trends and variation, and everyone wants to remain trendy and updated. So we're here to tell you about the new trend in makeup that is gradient lips. We all know that lips play a major role in bringing that perfect makeup look and are a game changer of every look. Even if you're not applying any makeup and you just put some lip color on your lips, your face immediately looks fresh and you're good to go. So here's another lip trend for this season that we need to talk about. Gradient lips are basically the Korean-inspired trend. As Korean dramas are very much popular these days and everyone on Netflix is binge-watching K-dramas, they're also inspired by their subtle looks. So these gradient lips were seen on Korean actresses and everyone got obsessed and started recreating it. It looks like the way your lips get stained after sucking a popsicle. So that's how your lips look, stained just in the middle of your lips and not all over your lips. It's different and unique from previous lip trends, and you can utilize all your lip colors. But mostly it's created by red, pink, and orange, or peach lip colors as they give a natural look. For this, many makeup brands have introduced lip stains or lip tints that give you this look. For example, benetint from Benefit is the most trending and most used product these days to create this look. In Pakistan, many actresses are also seen adopting this trend. Hina Altaf is mostly seen in gradient lips in almost all her dramas, interviews, and pictures. Nelo Muner was also seen in gradient lips in her popular drama. And in recent years, both Hina Altaf and Ushna Shah were seen in makeup looks having gradient lips. Ayman Khan is also seen in many of her Instagram pictures with natural look and gradient lips. So because of this, actresses' gradient lips have become a new trend in Pakistan. Now, let's talk about all the steps through which you can achieve the look. Yes, you can look at the different tutorials available on YouTube, but just to give you an idea, these are the basic steps you need to follow. Number 1. Exfoliate your lips with a scrub to remove the dead skin. This step will make your lips smooth and the product will not accumulate between the cracks. Number 2. Moisturize and hydrate your lips. As the winters are here and it makes your lips extremely dry, so make sure you moisturize your lips well for smooth application. Number 3. Now, apply any lip color, lip tint or lip stain on your lower lip, and in the middle of your lower lip, you use a darker shade to put it in the middle. Number 4. After applying, just dab it with your finger all over your lips. Do not blend it too well as it won't give it that stain and gradient effect. Number 5. Now, apply a transparent lip gloss if you want to, as it's optional. But it does enhance the whole look and makes the gradient effect more visible. Isn't it easy? So all you need to do is try it out this winter and slay your looks. Even college and university students can also try this look, as it gives a very natural look and is less time consuming. So what do you think? Comment your thoughts, don't forget to like and subscribe today, and keep up with the videos we post weekly and